Linggo na naman, and you know what that means? It's game plan once again.
This week, a healthy mix of sports, food, and laughter up ahead.
In the hole and underneath is Edwin Reyes.
Kakatapos lang ng ating UAAP Greatest Ever Online Survey sa game plan.
At kung gusto yung malaman sinong UAAP men's basketball team ang binoto ng mga manonood bilang greatest team ever, here's a sneak peek.
Web 2, Galan, block, cross court to Toy Belmonte. This is a great.
Anyway, we hope mapasaya namin kayo sa aming handog ngayong hapon. Ako si Paolo.
Ako si Wawi.
At ito ang game plan.
Ito.
Edmund Reyes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Reyes will not miss from the paint. Takinsen is alone and in there. Lob pass by David. Ball away by David. It dropped in. Catonos saw that coming. The pass. Henry Ong.
Game Plan's Greatest Ever Online Survey is now over. The votes tabulated and the winner unanimous. You voted for them. Now let's relive the glory years of 1993 to 1996 four-peat champion team of the University of Santo Tomas.
Oh, it goes in. Ball away. Oh, yes.
Having last won the UAP Men's Basketball Championship in the early 60s, it was up to a member of this same team to end the drought and put a stamp of excellence on UAP hardcourt history. Coach Eric Del Rosario led the Growling Tigers to their first of 4 straight titles in the 90s.
Nag-umpisa ako sa juniors nung walang silang coach. Naalala ako ng US, sabi niya ako kung gusto ko mag-coach. Sa seniors, siguro almost magna-90 na.
Coach Arik was a member of a champion team during his time. So actually his heart is, well, if I may say so, is colored yellow.
Si Coach mabait. Unang-una mabait. Magaling siyang mag-motivate ng player. Siyempre, hindi may iwasan sa lahat ng coach talaga. Strict din pagdating sa loob ng court.
Sa labas, sobrang kulit pala, masaya.
Kailangan kunin mo lang yung kiliti ni Coach Arik. Sa una, siyempre, nandun yung takot mo.
The Growling Tigers fielded a fiery coach and a special group of players during this championship run.
Yung mga player ko nung that time, walang yung pansarili. Lahat sila, ang focus nila, talagang makuha nila yung champion. Dennis, si Ray Evangelista, Patrick Pran, Edmund Reyes, si Belmonte, si Takinsen, David, mga yan, Chris Cantonos, isang key din sa mga batang nagka-champion, si Henry Ong.
We just play basketball. Enjoy the game. Yun ang gagawin, sabi ni Coach Arik, huwag kayo ma-pressure. Simula dun sa bench players hanggang sa superstars na lahat nagko-contribute talaga.
Nandun yung heart mo, yung dedication mo. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ko papatalo yung team ko.
Dale Singson. What an excellent pass by Dale Singson. They're behind by 8 points. Ong can take this. Yes, sir. Belmonte is left alone. Less than a minute has passed in this first half. Quinto. Oh.
And always behind the team were its biggest supporters, the university and its students.
Sobrang saya kasi nilalaro mo kasi pride, yung school.
Basta ang iniisip namin lahat ng players, mga teammates ko, manalo dapat para sa school, alam mo yun.
Toy Belmonte. Yes, 4 minutes and 58. Finally, that's the way to elude EJ. Dale Singson, fall away. Oh, yeah. Good feed by Belmonte, and there's a foul by Bautista. We've got a timeout. We'll be back.
As their wins piled up in the 93 season, the Growling Tigers wrote a new page in UAP men's basketball history.
Reyes pops it over. It's now with Evangelista. Taral. Oh, Tankitsen is diving for that basket. Yes. That's the spirit, Coach Toy Belmonte. This is great.
Mga 1 week before the game, hindi na ako nakakatulog No? Tapos pagpasok ko sa arena, nandun pa yung kaba
29 years na hindi nag-champion yung UST. Sabi namin, pinaghirapan na natin na maka 13-0 tayo. Ba't pa natin papabayaan na matalo tayo ng pang 14?
Driven over to Toy Belmonte. And he converts. And then Hipolito. Oh, he was blocked in the hole. And underneath is Edmund Reyes. And it's won by Toy Belmonte. 5-point lead, USD 7. 7 big points. 7 big points. They are 16 seconds away and ticking down. And Espino will convert. It must feel good. After 29 years and just a few more seconds. Ticking down. Yes, sir. There it is. Congratulations, USD.
Their 14-0 sweep in the 93 season was followed by another championship, and then another, and then another.
There's Coach Arik Del Rosario being hoisted on the shoulders of his players and supporters and fans.
Times na yun, talagang sunod-sunod nga yung championship.
Sa player ko, sabi ko, alam nyo, lahat yan, gusto tayong talunin. Dahil nga nananalo tayo, dahil nagka-champion tayo. Sabi ko, huwag natin babayain yung crown natin na makuha na iba.
A mix of old blood and new, the UST Growling Tigers dominated the early 1990s with a Spitfire coach, an all-star cast, and a school that carried them high on its shoulders.
4-on-3 break, Evangelista. It's in there. Lester Del Rosario. Yes!
Lahat nag-contribute. Kahit starters hanggang sa bench players.
Solid talaga. Hindi lang as a player, kumbaga, tinuturing namin yung isa't isa na sa family. Kaya yun yung pagmamalaki namin na nagkakaisa kami.
Very proud ako sa mga player ko. Sabi ko, ang feeling ko, sabi ko, pahabayan niyo yung karir niyo, sabi ko. Ayun, nasa sa inyo yan.